Milton, come here, honey. Look.
She wants you to see it.
Oh, that's great. That looks nice.
Thank you. I had her to make this wig for me because a woman's wardrobe is not complete unless she has a wig. So this is mine for those bad hair days.
It's a joke world. It's a joke world, baby. Crochet wig, yay!
Yeah, I like.
It's alright. Whoa, it's alright.
How long will this last?
As long as you keep it good, it's fine.
So keeping it good, what does that mean?
Like the usual, how if you were wearing this on your head, basically don't get it wet, don't put too much product in there. You know how you use your dry shampoo? If it comes to a point, you can just use your dry shampoo, or you can just gently dump it in warm water with a cleanser, let it out to dry without roughing it up, and it should be fine. It's just like having a synthetic wig, you know. It won't last as long as human hair, but it will last a long time.
I like Melissa. I really do. I like it. And I must take a picture of myself.
You want me to comb it or just?
No. Because I kind of like it. Wow. You know.
We have a happy client. If you can see, that's her part. So yeah, guys, this is a crochet wig requested especially by her. So just want to show you the lines that I'm going to make without using a white pencil. I don't want it to look too white when she gets it. So you get the concept, but 2 finger widths apart. When it comes to the front here, I am basically going to be filling it like this, as though I had a continuation like that, you see, and then like this. Now make sure that my edges are all full, you know, all my edges should be done, and then the lines will go through.